Hello everyone, welcome to GK Success Portal. Today our topic is Indian dance forms. This topic is very much important for upcoming exams like Railway, SSC, IBPS, State PCS and many more. So let's start. The first question is Bharatanatyam dance is related to which state? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh or Kerala? Right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Next question. Kuchipudi dance is related to which state? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Manipur or Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Kathakali dance is related to which state? Kerala, Odisha, West Bengal or Karnataka? Right answer is option A, Kerala. Next question. Mohiniyattam dance is related to which state? West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan or Kerala? Right answer is option D, Kerala. Next question. Odissi dance is related to which state? Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala or Odisha? Right answer is option D, Odisha. Next question. Manipuri dance is related to which state? Kerala, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura or Manipur? Right answer is option D, Manipur. Next question. Kathak dance is related to which state? Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh or Assam? Right answer is Uttar Pradesh, option C. Next question. Satriya dance is related to which state? Assam, Sikkim, Punjab, Goa? Right answer is option A, Assam. Next question. Chhau dance is related to which state? Gujarat, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Manipur? Right answer is West Bengal, option C. Next question. Garba dance is related to which state? Goa, Odisha, Gujarat or Punjab? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. Next question. Dandiya Ras dance is related to which state? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Bihar? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. Next question. Tarangamel dance is related to which state? Goa, Sikkim, Assam, Odisha? Right answer is option A, Goa. Next question. Ghumar or Gangor dance is related to which state? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Next question. Kalbelia dance is related to which state? Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan? Right answer is option D, Rajasthan. Next question. Charva dance is related to which state? Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan? Right answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Bhangra or Giddha dance is related to which state? Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Tripura? Right answer is option A, Punjab. Next question. Dadra dance is related to which state? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh or Sikkim? Right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Jawara dance is related to which state? Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Matki dance is related to which state? Assam, West Bengal, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh? Right answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Gaur Muriya dance is related to which state? Sikkim, Assam, Tripura, Chhattisgarh? Right answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Next question. Paika dance is related to which state? Jharkhand, Gujarat, Tripura, Odisha? Right answer is option D, Odisha. Next question. Biraha dance is related to which state? Punjab, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Bihar. Right answer is Bihar, option D. Next question. Bagurumba dance is related to which state? Assam, Bihar, Odisha, Kerala. Right answer is option A, Assam. Next question. Jat-Jatin dance is related to which state? Kerala, Karnataka, Bihar, Odisha. Right answer is option C, Bihar. Next question. Danda Jatra dance is related to which state? Odisha, Assam, Sikkim, Gujarat. Right answer is option A, Odisha. Next question. Bihu dance is related to which state? Sikkim, Tripura, Assam, Manipur. Right answer is option C, Assam. Next question. Thangta dance is related to which state? Manipur, Gujarat, Assam, Bihar. Right answer is option A, Manipur. Next question. Singhicham dance is related to which state? Tamil Nadu, Sikkim, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab. Right answer is option B, Sikkim. Next question. Butta Bommalu dance is related to which state? Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. Right answer is option B, Kerala. Next question. Jhumar dance is related to which state? Chhattisgarh, Mizoram, Odisha, Punjab. Right answer is option D, Punjab. Next question. Raut Nacha dance is related to which state? Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Odisha, Sikkim. Right answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Next question. Chirao dance is related to which state? Assam, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur. Right answer is option C, Mizoram. Next question. Tippani dance is related to which state? Gujarat, Punjab, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Next question. Teratali dance is related to which state? Punjab, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Tripura. Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Next question. Rauf dance is related to which state? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Jammu Kashmir. Right answer is option D, Jammu Kashmir. Next question. Hojagiri dance is related to which state? Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Assam. Right answer is option A, Tripura. Now the question for homework is, Hikat dance is related to which state? Jammu Kashmir, Tripura, Assam or Sikkim? You can comment down your answer. This is for today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.